Does your living room still feel off? Even after adding new cushions, a couple of plants, maybe even painting a wall? You're not alone. A lot of people spend time and money decorating, but something still feels wrong, like the space just isn't working. And in 2025, your living room should be more than just nice looking. It should feel cozy, modern, and truly reflect your style. But here's the truth. Many people are making small design mistakes without even realizing it. And those little things? They can completely throw off the vibe of your space. In this video, we're breaking down 5 common living room mistakes to avoid in 2025, and more importantly, how to fix them with easy, affordable changes. Let's jump in and help your space feel just right. 1. Bulky furniture that overpowers the room. Let's talk about one of the biggest living room design mistakes, literally. Big, bulky furniture. It might seem like a good choice at first. Oversized sofas, giant recliners, and chunky coffee tables can feel super comfy and luxurious. But in reality, they often do more harm than good. When furniture is too large for the space, it takes over the entire room. Instead of feeling cozy, the area feels cramped, heavy, and hard to move around in. In 2025, interior design is shifting toward lighter, airier spaces. People want rooms that feel open and breathable, not weighed down by oversized pieces. When furniture overpowers the space, it throws off the visual balance. There's no room for the eye to rest, and everything starts to feel cluttered and chaotic, even if it's clean and organized. So what should you do instead? Choose furniture that matches the scale of your room. If your living room is small to medium-sized, look for slimmer sofas with raised legs. They give the illusion of more space. Swap out heavy tables for lightweight, open frame options, or even clear acrylic pieces that blend into the background. Floating TV units or wall-mounted shelves can also make the floor space feel larger. Consider modular furniture that adapts to your needs. Pieces that double as storage or seating give you flexibility without the bulk. And don't forget that space between furniture matters just as much as the furniture itself. Breathing room creates flow. You don't have to give up comfort for style. It's about making smart choices that allow your living room to feel both welcoming and modern. In 2025, lighter furniture means lighter energy, and that's the kind of vibe every home needs. 2. Using one light source only. If your living room still relies on just one overhead light, it's definitely time to rethink things. A single ceiling light might seem like a practical choice, but it often leaves the space feeling harsh, flat, and lifeless. Without other sources of light, you're left with dark corners, harsh shadows, and a cold, sterile vibe. More like a waiting room than a warm, welcoming living room. In 2025, lighting isn't just about seeing clearly. It's about setting the mood and making your space feel comfortable and alive. That's why layered lighting is now considered essential in modern design. And the best part? You don't need to renovate your home to make this change. It's one of the easiest and most affordable upgrades you can make. Here's how to do it. Start by keeping your ceiling light. That's your ambient lighting, which lights the whole room. Then add a floor lamp near the seating area for reading or tasks. Place a table lamp on a side table or console to bring in a soft, cozy glow. Want a modern edge? Try adding LED strip lights under shelves, behind the TV, or around artwork. These accent lights create layers, depth, and visual interest. The great thing about layered lighting is that it's flexible. Want a bright, energized space for entertaining? Turn everything on. Looking to wind down in the evening? Just use the softer lights for a warm, relaxing feel. And always go for warm white bulbs, around 2,700 K. They instantly make any room feel more inviting than harsh, bluish light. Lighting has the power to completely transform your space. So if your room still depends on just one lonely bulb, it's time to mix it up. Add layers, set the mood, and light your living room the smart way in 2025. 3. Outdated color schemes. Still decorating your living room with an all-gray or all-beige color palette. That look had its time, but in 2025, it's starting to feel outdated. While neutral tones can feel calm and safe, going too far with them can make your space feel flat and lifeless. A room filled with gray on gray or beige on beige lacks contrast, personality, and warmth. Instead of cozy, it can feel cold and uninspiring, like something's missing. The good news? You don't need a full makeover or a new paint job to fix this. The secret is simple: balance and contrast. Try introducing earthy tones like olive green, terracotta, deep browns, or warm rust. These colors still feel grounded and natural, but they instantly bring depth and warmth to a neutral space. If you love your neutral base, no problem. Just layer in bold accents with pillows, throws, rugs, or even one standout feature wall. These small changes can make a big difference without overwhelming the room. You can also add life to your space by mixing in natural textures. Wood, rattan, linen, stone. These materials add dimension and a cozy feel without needing bold colors. For example, pairing a beige sofa with a wooden coffee table, woven baskets, and a few indoor plants can instantly refresh your living room. In 2025, color design is less about matching and more about feeling. So don't be afraid to experiment. Mixing soft neutrals with richer tones and organic textures can bring warmth, character, and that lived-in charm every modern home needs. 4. Wall clutter without a focal point. It's easy to get carried away when decorating your walls. You start with a few framed photos, add a shelf or two, maybe hang some artwork you found on sale, and before you know it, every inch of wall space is covered. The intention is to make the room feel personal and styled, but the result can often feel messy and overwhelming. When there are too many small items scattered across your walls, it becomes hard for the eye to focus. Instead of drawing attention to a beautifully decorated space, the room can feel chaotic and unbalanced. Your living room should be a place to relax, but visual clutter can make it feel the opposite. In 2025, design trends are leaning toward simplicity and purpose. That means every item you hang should serve a reason, not just fill empty space. The solution? Create one strong focal point. This could be a large piece of art, a bold statement mirror, or even a clean and cohesive gallery wall that's been thoughtfully arranged. The goal is to give the eye one place to land, a visual anchor that grounds a room. Also, don't be afraid to leave some wall space blank. It's called negative space, and it's actually a key part of great design. Empty space helps your chosen pieces stand out more and gives the entire room a more open, airy feel. Take a step back and really look at your walls. Are they telling a story or just showing a collection of random items? A little editing and a clear focal point can transform your walls from cluttered and confusing to clean, modern, and visually striking. 5. Ignoring comfort for style. Let's be honest, we all want our living rooms to look amazing. A clean, stylish space that feels like it belongs in a design magazine is always the goal. But if your living room looks beautiful and feels uncomfortable, then something's off. One of the biggest design mistakes people make is prioritizing style over comfort. That ultra-modern chair that looks cool but hurts to sit in, or the sleek glass coffee table with no storage and sharp corners. Sure, they look trendy, but they don't make your everyday life any easier. And that's the problem. In 2025, the best homes are designed for real life. They're not just pretty, they're practical, cozy, and lived in. A room can be gorgeous and still feel like home, but it has to work for you. If you find yourself avoiding parts of the room or feeling nervous about messing things up, it's a sign that your space is trying too hard to impress and not doing enough to support your lifestyle. So what's the fix? Focus on comfort-first design. Start by mixing in soft textures like plush cushions, warm throws, and natural fabrics such as velvet, cotton, or boucle. Choose furniture that feels good, not just look good. Deep sofas, supportive chairs, and padded ottomans are all great choices. And when it comes to decor, pick items that are both functional and beautiful, like a coffee table with storage, cozy baskets, or even layered rugs that add softness underfoot. Your living room should be a space where you can unwind, relax, and feel completely at ease, whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or hosting friends. So yes, aim for style, but always make comfort the priority, because the most beautiful living room is the one you can actually enjoy every single day. You don't need to spend a fortune to upgrade your living room. Sometimes, All it takes is avoiding a few common mistakes to make your space feel brand new. Whether it's switching out bulky furniture, layering your lighting, adding color, decluttering your walls, or choosing comfort over trends, small changes can have a big impact. So take a look around your living room. Do any of these mistakes sound familiar? Start with one fix, and you'll be surprised how much better your space feels. Which mistake have you made or fixed already? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss simple and smart home design tips every week.